Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the sharpness of your copy settings on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, select the function settings and go to copy. Now click on change default settings. And here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the sharpness. Now here, after we click the sharpness, we will be able to change it either at minus or a plus. And after you change it to your liking, you guys need to test it out with some copies. It's very important to test it all out before, let's say, listening to my advice. I always sharpen them a bit, so I always put it like that. Then I'll just click on apply, and then I'll apply all of the settings. So that's basically what I do, but you need to test it out for yourself. And now I'm gonna show you the second way on how you guys can do that. So as you guys can see, I am on the side of your printer, but now let me log out and show you how I did that. I entered the system manager mode and then gave my remote UI access pin. If you guys don't remember yours, then don't worry, you guys can set a new one on the printer. And then I just went to the settings and registration, and in the function settings you guys need to click on the copy settings right here and click on edit. There will be a lot of options, as you guys can see, like the text priority, photo priority, but we do not care about it. We just scroll down until we see the sharpness. Now here we can set it from 0 up to 3 or from 0 even to the -3. So as you guys can see, you can either sharpen them out or make them look, let's say, duller. But that's basically how it works. I always keep mine at 1. And then all you got to do is scroll up to the side and click on OK. So now those settings are saved. As you guys can see, the sharpness here is 1. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.